India lost over rupees 100 crore every day to bank fraud or scams in the last 7 years. Now, this is as per the data by RBI. Now, it says 50% of the money lost to financial fraud is from the country's financial capital in Maharashtra, followed by Delhi, Telangana, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. However, as a big relief, the data also says that there has been a steady decline in the quantum of money involved, which is lost to fraud. Now, money in fraud has reduced from over 67,000 crores in the year 2015 and 2016 to over 10,000 crore in the year 2021 to 2022. Hina joins us live for more on this. Hina, take us through the highlights of what the RBI is saying.
Well, this RBI's data that we are talking about is from 1st of April 2015 to 31st of December 2022. And if we look at the total quantum of bank fraud that has been reported, has been around 2.5 lakh crore rupees, out of which over 2 lakh crore rupees has come just from 5 states, out of which Maharashtra is at number 1, which is, actually responsible for about 50% of the total bank fraud here that we are talking about, followed by the national capital. Then other states like Telangana, Tamil Nadu are also among the top 5 that account for about 2 lakh crore rupees loss as far as the bank fraud is concerned. Now, the analysis further tells us that this is equivalent to losing about 100 crore rupees per day. But what is important to note here is that over the last few years, the quantum of bank fraud on a yearly basis has been coming down steadily. So on one hand, this is an analysis of the last few years from 2015-16 to 2021-22. We are telling the viewers how the numbers are looking like. But on a yearly basis, the bank fraud amount has been going down. For example, if in 2015, India has seen a bank fraud of about 67,000 crore rupees, it has come down to a little over 10,000 crore rupees in 2020 and 21. In the year 2021-22, here I'm talking about financial year 2021-22, in just first 9 months, the quantum of bank fraud has been much lower at around 6,000 crore rupees. So government believes that, the kind of measures that have been taken for early, firstly, identification of fraud and then taking adequate measures so that the quantum does not really increase. Those kind of measures are now, giving us results, and that's the reason why overall, if you see the quantum, the number has been coming down steadily. So it's an interesting data that we've got, and it's an analysis that tells us that over the last few years, India has lost about 100 crore rupees per day as bank fraud. Bank fraud, suddenly when it is come to light, it is usually a big amount, but the recovery takes a very, very long time. And hence the focus of government and the RBI over the last few years has been to prevent, the frauds as much as possible. But yet we have seen some of the big frauds taking place in the last few years itself. Back to you.
All right, Ina, thank you so much for that overview.